Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to change your email on Pokemon Go and Android on iPhone at the same time. Okay, now pay attention for 1 minute. You need open your Pokemon, okay, done, and options, settings, okay, settings in English. Now, can you see the fifth options is account? You need touch here. Now, the trick is this. Add one account and remove the other account. Example, if I want to change my Apple accounts, I need add a Google account, okay, and remove Apple accounts, wait 1 week or 2 days, and then I can add Apple account, another Apple account, okay. The best account for the Pokemon Go is the Pokemon account, is the portal, Pokemon Trainers portal. If you want a good, the better account in your Pokemon Go game, you need put your Pokemon Trainers portal, okay. Can you make account with your email, Google email or other email? But in my opinion, it's better put Pokemon Trainers portal, okay. But if you want to change your Pokemon Trainers portals, you need add Google account and remove Pokemon Trainers portals, and then add other Pokemon Trainers account, okay. I don't know if I explain good, but I feel that yes, okay. Sorry for my English, not is the best, but I want trying to Onyx is my favorite Pokemon, okay. Infravalorate Pokemon, but it's the better. Is the Pokemon more Pokemon than other Pokemons? Oh, it's beautiful Pokemon. Okay, man. Sorry for my sorry for my English, and see you later in the other video. Like, look at that. Oh no. Okay, it's mine. Toma, es mío. Okay, amigos. Okay, everybody. This is all for this video. See you later in the other time.